Okay, welcome back. Last time we were installing the tailgate Xpel armor, and that's all done. So now I'm going to work on the pieces that go on either side of the bed. So there'll be one on this side, and then when I clean up this other side, I will finish this other side up as well too. So I will get those pieces out, get them laid out here, snap a couple of photos, and start laying down the piece much in the same way. So again, cleaning with the isopropyl alcohol to prep the surface, and then it's a matter of anchoring and peeling it back. Again, Abstract Ocean has very good installation video on their site, and I would watch that in detail. I'm just going to give you kind of some overview here of how it went down for me and what it looks like and how it wears for me. So keep watching and I'll come back with some more. All right, so while Abstract Ocean certainly has some nice instructions, they've got the QR code to their video, I do like to throw in a few extra little tips. One of those is once I took the piece out of the plastic it was wrapped in, I like to roll it the opposite direction for a little bit. And that's just to try to take some of the flex out of the material and help get it flattened out and make it easier to install. So I'll get this rolled out and we'll get started with the install. Well, so as you can see, I've got that right side piece all the way laid down. It again fits very well. There's enough stretch in that material that I think when I first laid it down, I was, I don't know, probably at least a 1/4 inch short of that edge. But I just went back up to the top, adjusted it slightly, then, you know, kind of tugged it all the way down as I was bringing it down along those edges. And brought it all the way down and had enough just to slightly go kind of over the edge here so that, you know, you wouldn't catch an edge and peel up the material or something. So anyway, that side looks good. We're going to move over, clean up this side, and get this side done. Okay, so we've done both of the sides. The next thing we're going to try to tackle is this main bed and then the lift up smuggler's bay part, whatever you want to call that. We're going to obviously have to clean that up a bit first and then get to work on putting these pieces down. And again, Abstract Ocean has an installation video. I'm going to watch that first and then take some photos and point out anything I think in terms of things that maybe I discovered or things I did that might have made the install a little bit easier for me. All right, the first half, the right half of the Smuggler's Bay is down. I followed the video instructions on the Abstract Ocean website, and I'd have to say they're pretty much spot on. Everything went down pretty easily, and so far it looks pretty good. I just have this other side to do next. Okay, so as you can see, we have not only the tailgate finished now, but the sides and the Smuggler's Bay here, or whatever you want to call the underbed storage, where I keep some of my cleaning supplies, my tire pump and whatnot. But, you know, I guess one thing, even though, you know, I had a mat on here and the mat had a crease so that you could, you know, fold this up, this definitely is easier to fold up without the mat on it. I mean, it just is. Plus, you know, will stay up better without the weight of the mat on it. So I actually kind of like that. I may not put that mat back in unless I'm really going to be hauling something that, you know, I just be afraid would scratch up or ruin, you know, this, you know, stuff. So anyway, I still have the back part of the bed to go. Obviously some cleanup to do first with the isopropyl alcohol. I'm probably going to take a break though and come back to this. But anyway, it's looking really good. Again, want to thank our friends at Abstract Ocean for supplying this kit and obviously the great video directions that they have for installation. Again, and invite you very much to watch those prior to doing the installation. It makes it a lot easier. And you know, the more you do these, the more you're folding around and crimping these things down, just kind of the easier it gets. So I would say don't let the fact that you have to do this by hand you know, seem too daunting or make you think you can't do it yourself. You can. This isn't hard to do. It just takes some time. And, you know, obviously you want to spend time on it to get pieces lined up right and fitting down right and, you know, and all of that so that it looks really good. And no doubt it looks much better than the factory plastic bed does. So anyway, I'll be back soon with some more. So just taking a quick video here. I'm about halfway through the back part of the bed. These are much longer pieces than up front, but they're really not any more difficult to put down. Again, you just have to take your time, get them lined up and, you know, push them down just like the rest of them. So anyway, got half a bed more to go, and then I am done with the entire bed. It's looking great. Okay, the front part of the bed has been completed. I thought I would give you kind of a top-down perspective here. Never mind the crossbar that might be a little bit in the way. But as you can see, texture looks nice, fits nice, leaves space for the D-rings if you have them. And then of course the back smuggler's bay area, or whatever you want to call that, under bed storage, and of course the tailgate as well too. Now I know that Abstract Ocean offers some pieces for the sides of the vault, so on either side, as well as for the front of the vault up there. So it might be something to consider to finish off the rest of this vault. But for now, the floor looks great, and can't wait to try it out by loading up a lot of my son's furniture and boxes to move him home from college this weekend. So this is Tesla Ken,